analyst for today. And the purpose
All
of
right.
this interview is to gather all your data about your job position. And I just want to inform you that I will use a tape recorder to record our conversation so that I will catch up all the information you were going to give, okay?
Oh, sure, sure. That's fine with me.
So let's start. So
Mhm.
you are a application data agent. Mr. Ruiz, can you please tell me about your job position?
Yes, you are right. I am an application data agent at ARB, South Alabang. And what I do is I take calls from our customers, our clients, and we process the applications of our customers when they have they wanted to have a loan for or they wanted to have loans or something like that. And there's something like that. We are thinking about um, how our clients would able to have loans. And there are some reasons naman why these clients wanted loans. But what I can say about being an application data agent is that you must have the ability to do more than what you think you can do. You know? Yeah.
Okay. Then, as a application data agent, who do you reports and coordinates with?
All right. I report every time to my supervisor or our team leader, and we are also handled by our operations manager. And also sometimes I connect with my other agents, like we're talking about how's your loan or something like that. But I report I report to my supervisor.
So, Mr. Ruiz, can you please tell me what are your primary duties and responsibilities?
All right. My primary duties and responsibility as an application data agent is first to call our prospective or no prospective clients. So we all have this list or we all have this information where we can call our clients and then later on assess if they were able to get loans.
Okay.
And also, um, yeah, it was more on generating a loan. That's the main responsibility. That's my main responsibility as an application data agent.
Okay. Being a application data agent, what are the qualification standards needed to be in that position?
All right. The first quality that you should have to be an application data agent is that you're quite good when it comes to listening skills and communication skills. I mean, on a communication skill, you must have the ability to listen carefully to what your client is saying, especially the information that they are giving to you, because we are able to authenticate first. We need to authenticate first the information of our clients before we proceed on the application itself. And then the next is you must have the ability of somehow to oral when it comes to oral communication, you must speak English because it's a call center service in the Philippines. So since we are a call center service in the Philippines,
Okay.
so our main communication language is English. And also, you must have the ability to expound your idea, to be resilient in a way that it's kind of mental. There's you must have this mental aptitude that you in the end of the day you will get have or you will have a loan or something like that. You must have the power to push through all those negative things or thoughts that come to your mind, especially when you see your co-agent getting a loan and you are not. No, and I think that's it. And you must have ano, you were able to adapt easily. Yes, on the environment. It's really hindi naman siya, it's not like toxic when you're saying ano. it's kind of a pressure, but it's a good pressure.
Okay. So what are the characteristics need to perform this kind of job?
All right. The characteristics that we needed to perform this job is what I am has, what I am capable to do. The characters that to move forward, to able to move forward, to able to adopt things on different things, especially on knowledges, knowledge, new information. You must able to be somehow positive on different things. And also, I think being a friendly is kind of being an advantage for me. And you must have this, again, the communication skills, the ability to adapt, to learn new things, and something like that. So that's what I can base from what I am doing or what my character as an application data agent.
So
All right.
as data agent, what are the common tools you use in doing and performing your task?
All right. We have a lots of tools, since we have OK Caller. So when we gather information from our customer, we have this OK Caller. We have Google.com. We also have phone lookup. On phone lookup, OK Caller and Google.com, we will verify the number. Okay, the telephone number that we have gathered that we have in our system that was answered by our clients. All right. And then the next one we have one click director. One click. On one click, it is it's a domain wherein we can get or we can have different scripts. All right. So one of the common misconceptions about being a call center agent or being in a call center or being in a BPO industry is that it's you must have this fluency in English, but no, there we have scripts, so we can search or look on back on how to handle voicemail, how to create ghost spills, or something like that. And the next is on okay on one click the we can search for the numbers. We can search the bank numbers, the valid bank numbers, where it is also stated if it is good to call, if it is okay to call, something like that, and notes, our annotation, and we have what you can call this ARBCSS. So it's a file storage vertical. We have e-learning vertical. So there we have a lot of tools to understand deeply. Somehow I kind of get lost. And APN Talker or APN Talk. So it is it is a tool where we can input the number of our clients and it will be automatically dialed. Yes, the system will automatically dial the number that we have input from. Yeah, something like that.
Okay, so what kind of working environment are you experiencing as a application data agent?
All right. The kind of working environment that I am as an application data agent is that it's really pressure. It's kind of fast-paced environment wherein you must have again the mental aptitude to move forward, to not let yourself down when you see your co-agents have loans, and, and we are working night shift. We are working here in a Philippine time. Huh? We are working graveyard shift, and I think one of the most um, I am concerned about. One of the things that I'm most concerned about is my health. So I always take vitamins. It's really important to take vitamins, especially for those who have some commodity. No, it's not commodity. for those who have some past, no, it's not illness, no, or like if you know your immune system is, if you know that your immune system is not that good, or it is weak or something like that, no, you must have vitamins. So yeah, something like that. Mm.
Okay, that's all, Mr. Ruiz. I got
Yeah.
all the data I needed for this position. Thank you
All
for
right.
your time and cooperation, Mr. Ruiz. See you then.
All right. Thank you so much, Miss Miranda. I am very happy about our today's interview, huh? And I commend you for all the questions that you have asked me. Did you put all the information that I have given to you? Are you satisfied with that?
Yes, yes, Mr. Ruiz. Thank
Thank. Good morning, Miss Micaela Miranda. How's your day?
I'm good. The weather is nice, and thank you for inviting me for this interview, Mr. Ruiz.
Yes, I'm very glad about that you answered my request to have an interview with you. All right. Anyway, Miss Micaela Miranda. I am John Edwin Ruiz. I am your job analyst, and the purpose of this interview is to gather all the data about your job position as cost estimator, correct? And I just wanted to inform you that we are being recorded, right? Our call is being recorded so that I cannot miss all the information, but I might miss some information that is important. All right. And anyway, I'm going to ask you this series of information. Series of questions. Okay. My first question is, you are being a cost estimator, right? Your job is being a cost estimator. Um, Miss Miranda, what's the purpose, or what's the overall purpose of your job as a cost estimator?
Okay, as a cost estimators, we analyze and collect data and provides accurate estimates of project costs that includes
Mm,
time, materials, and labor required to complete a project. As a cost estimators, we also provide the manager with the data they needed to produce a products or services. We also prepare reports and information for forecast plans.
mm. So, all right. Thank you for that. How about the job duties, your job duties as a cost estimator, since you analyze and collect data, no?
Okay, so as a cost estimators, we prepare detailed cost estimate reports to assist management in organizing and planning of tasks. We also oversee the different stages of company project to ensure that the expenses follow the forecast plan. We read blueprints and technical documents to prepare materials, time, and labor estimates. We collaborate with engineers, architects, and contractors to make risk assessment, to talk about estimates, and also we perform ocular visit during the flow of the project and make alteration to the budget plan of the project.
All right, Miss Miranda. So, as what you've said, you have different stages. You estimate the report, and you went to different places to have ocular. So, my main question is how how you send reports, or what do you do to have to send the reports, those information that you have gathered?
Okay, we send reports to a spreadsheet. We will give it to
Okay.
our project managers. We,
Um,
as a cost estimators, we usually send reports to our clients to see, in order for them to see our finished product of
yeah.
their project, to our senior cost estimators, and of course to our project manager.
Wow. What is when it comes to education, what is the required education fulfillment or the knowledge that you have in order for you to be a cost estimator?
Okay, as a cost estimators, you need to have a bachelor's degree in engineering and construction management or finance. Experience, at least 3 years experience with the project management and financial software such as ConS and Gallerat. At least years work experience in the construction industry, and also you have to need a certification as a cost professional or an estimating professionals.
Wow, it seems like being a cost estimator is not a joke, right? Really, you must have this information. You must have this background education. Anyway, Miss Miranda, let's move on to the skills and experiences. What are the manual skills that are required to operate a machine, equipment, or other tools that you have as a cost estimator?
So that's what we called a job dimension. So as a cost estimators, we have a mandatory and desirable job dimension. A mandatory job dimension, uh, a cost estimators need to have an analytical skills, detail oriented. They must possess excellent communication skills,
Mhm.
technical skills, of course, time management skills, and ability to read and interpret blueprints. And when it comes to the desirable job dimension, we need, or estimators need to have a leadership skills,
Mhm.
flexibility, and a writing skills.
Wow. All right. And anyway, what machine, tools, or equipment or work aids the incumbent works with on a regular basis?
As a cost estimators, we usually use analogous estimators, parametric estimators, and a project management software. And as what I said earlier, we use spreadsheet for our reports and record schedules of their task.
All right. And as what you've said about job dimension, there are some mandatory, right? They being excellent, technical capabilities, or you should have the ability to manage your time. So when it comes to working conditions, um, how does the work environment or the work condition you have as a cost estimator?
Well, usually a cost estimators mostly works in a comfortable offices, and sometimes we usually visit project sites and factory assembly lines during the schedule of their task.
All right. So you have comfortable places and you went on different sites. It's kind of fun, no? Being a cost estimator. Anyway, Miss Miranda, I gathered all the information that I needed. I'm very pleased about our today's interview. Thank you for your time. I'm really happy and I'm really blessed that you have time for me. Anyway, I know that you're busy. Thank you so much, Miss Miranda, for your time again. Have a great day. God bless, Miss Miranda. Thank you for the interview.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.